Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we have two amazing robot vacuums that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. We'll be comparing the Tikom robot vacuum and the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to keeping your floors spotless, both of these robot vacuums have impressive features. The Tikom robot vacuum, priced at $299, offers a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping function. With its electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output, you can enjoy a completely clean home. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo, priced at $729, also offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming experience. It comes with a 230 milliliters electric control water tank for efficient wet mopping on all hard floors. Efficient navigation is essential for a thorough cleaning. The Tikom robot vacuum utilizes gyroscope smart navigation, which follows an efficient zigzag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30%. Priced at $299, it ensures a more thorough cleaning compared to random path robotic vacuums. Meanwhile, the robot vacuum and mop combo features intelligent obstacle avoidance with a full set of sensors. With its 3D precise obstacle avoidance function and slim design, it can easily reach every corner of your home. Cleaning performance is crucial, especially when it comes to carpets and hardwood floors. The Tikom robot vacuum, priced at $299, offers a powerful 2700 PA suction, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors. It also has a self-charging feature, ensuring that it automatically returns to the charging station once the battery is low. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo, priced at $729, provides a brushless suction port with strong suction power, perfect for pet families. With a 2,500 mAh battery, it can continuously work for 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house. Convenience is key when it comes to controlling your robot vacuum. The Tikom robot vacuum, priced at $299, can be controlled through its dedicated app, offering 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. It also supports voice control with Alexa and Google Home, and comes with a remote control. Similarly, the robot vacuum and mop combo, priced at $729, offers smart app control through Tuya Smart App, allowing you to create a home cleaning schedule and change cleaning modes. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and includes a remote control. The Tikom robot vacuum and the robot vacuum and mop combo have received positive reviews overall. Reviewers praise the Tikom robot vacuum for its effective cleaning performance, advanced mapping technology, long battery life, and multiple control options. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo is appreciated for its efficient navigation, strong suction power, and convenient control options. Both the Tikom robot vacuum and the robot vacuum and mop combo have their unique features. The Tikom robot vacuum excels in its sweeping and mopping capabilities, gyroscope smart navigation, strong suction power, and multiple control options. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming experience, intelligent obstacle avoidance, long battery life, and efficient cleaning modes. Ultimately, the choice between these two robot vacuums depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on both products. That's all for today's video. If you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Buy Smart videos. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.